kids, we are starting a new chapter. This is chapter number 13, Discovery of Fire and Invention of Wheel. From the book Social Science 2, these are the learning objectives, life of early humans, and then discovery of fire and invention of wheel. Okay. Experiential learning warm up. Look at the two sets of pictures and find the differences. So हमें दो पिक्चर्स गिवन है एंड हमें इन्हें देखना एंड कंपैरिजन करना है बेसिकली इनके बीच में क्या क्या डिफरेंस है. सो this is the picture of early man and this is the picture of modern man. Here you can see the difference of clothing. They wear this man wear animal skin to cover his body, and this man wear this shirt, then coat, and then there is trousers, shoes as well. So clearly we can see the difference in clothing, right? Then in the next picture, this is the picture of early woman and this is the picture of modern woman. In early days, women used to wear again the animal skin and there is something on the head as well, okay, and hands as well, and there is nothing in the foot, right? And this is the picture of modern woman. Here you can see she wears a sari, having bangles in her hand and earrings in her ears, right? So we can see the clear difference in their clothing patterns, right? Next, life of early humans. Early humans lived on this earth a long time ago. They lived in caves, they wore animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. They collected food or hunted animals for food. They ate raw flesh. So early humans earth पर रहते थे long time ago, right? एंड वो केव्स में रहते थे, एनिमल स्किन वोर करते थे, लीव्स वोर करते थे अपनी बॉडी को कवर रखने के लिए, एंड वो फूड कलेक्ट करते थे, एनिमल्स हंट करते थे अपने फूड के लिए एंड रॉ फ्लैश ही ईट करते थे. Next, we have discovery of fire and invention of the wheel. The discovery of fire changed the life of early humans. Life of the early human became more comfortable after the discovery of fire. They started cooking food that was delicious, yet they had many problems. The early humans traveled from one place to another on foot, so they could not go very far. They also use animals to carry things from one place to another. तो जो फायर की डिस्कवरी हुई उसकी वजह से अर्ली ह्यूमंस की लाइफ काफी चेंज हो गई थी. जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस थे वो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो गए थे डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर के बाद, एंड उन्होंने फूड को कुक करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था जो कि और ज्यादा डिलिशियस लगता था. एंड देन कुकिंग के अलावा भी उनके पास काफी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स थी, जैसे कि जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस थे अगर उन्हें ट्रैवल करना होता था वन प्लेस टू अनदर, उन्हें बाय फुट ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था. वो ज्यादा दूर नहीं जा पाते थे एंड वो एनिमल्स का यूज करते थे कैरी करने के लिए थिंग्स को फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके. Slowly they noticed that rolling objects could make movement easier. They also noticed that round objects could be rolled. They started using logs of wood. So यहाँ पर हमें बता रहे हैं स्लोली उन्होंने नोटिस करना शुरू किया जो राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं वो मूवमेंट इजीली बना सकते हैं, राइट? एंड उन्होंने ऐसी चीजें बनाना शुरू किया, ओके, एंड वुड्स को यूज करना, लॉग ऑफ वुड को यूज करना शुरू किया. Then after that, they started using logs of wood to carry heavy objects from one place to another. This was the beginning of the invention of the wheel. Then उन्होंने logs of woods इस तरीके से उन्होंने use करना चालू किया ताकि वो heavy जो things होती है उनको one place to another place move कर सके. And ये यहीं से starting हुई थी invention of wheel की, okay? Then next is they cut out wheels from the wooden logs and fixed carts on them. This helped them to carry heavy loads. The invention of the wheel led to more useful inventions. फिर उन्होंने wheels को cut किया wooden log में से and fix किए उसमें carts, and इसकी वजह से वो हेवी लोड्स को कैरी कर सकते थे. उन्होंने इन्वेंशन कर लिया था व्हील का जिसकी वजह से और भी यूजफुल काफी सारी इन्वेंशंस हुई. ओके. Next, we have critical thinking, time to do, match the wheels with the vehicles. Okay. So first, this is the wheel of bicycle. Then second, this is the wheel of a car. And third, this is the wheel of bullock cart, right? We are done with this. Next, we have fact file. Early humans ate uncooked flesh of animals before the discovery of fire. जो early humans थे वो raw flesh eat करते थे उसे पकाने से पहले जब fire की discovery नहीं हुई थी. Okay. And then valued facts. It is better to eat cooked food. Only fruits can be eaten raw along with some vegetables. ये ज्यादा बेटर होता है कि हम फूड को कुक करके ईट करें. सिर्फ हम फ्रूट्स को एंड कुछ वेजिटेबल्स को ही रॉ ईट कर सकते हैं. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इम्प्रूविंग वोकैबुलरी, न्यू वर्ड्स, डिस्कवरी, द एक्ट ऑफ फाइंडिंग समथिंग. डिस्कवरी का मतलब है कुछ चीज फाइंड करना. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट इज इन्वेंशन, द एक्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग समथिंग दैट हैजंट बीन मेड बिफोर. और इन्वेंशन का मतलब होता है ऐसी चीज क्रिएट करना जो कि पहले एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. ओके. And next thing is, let's recall, the early humans lived in caves and wore animal skins and leaves to cover themselves. जो early humans थे वो caves में रहते थे, animal skin wore करते थे, leaves wore करते थे अपने आप को cover करने के लिए. And then the discovery of fire and invention of the wheel made the lives of early humans more comfortable. जो discovery of fire है and invention of wheel की वजह से जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस की लाइफ थी वो थोड़ी कंफर्टेबल बन गई थी. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. ए, टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, अर्ली ह्यूमंस लिव डैश. फर्स्ट, few years ago. Second, many years ago. Third, few months ago. Answer is many years ago. Then second, early humans lived in dash. First, bungalow. Second, cave. Third, pakka house. Answer is cave. Then third, early humans traveled by on dash. First, foot. Second, train. Third, car. Answer is foot. Then fourth, early humans' life became more comfortable after the discovery of dash. First, fire. Second, trees. Third, stones. Answer is fire. Then B, write true or false against the following statements. First, the early humans ate cooked food. False. Then second, the early humans wore animal skins and leaves. True. Then third, the discovery of fire made their lives comfortable. True. And fourth, the invention of the wheel led to more useful inventions. This is also true. Next is writing skills. See, answer the following questions. First, where did early humans live? Early humans live in caves. Then second, what did early humans wear? Early humans wear animal skin and leaves to cover their bodies. Then third, name one major discovery of the early human. One major discovery of early human was fire. I just write fire here, okay? Then fourth, name one major invention of the early humans. The major invention of early human is of wheel. I'll just write wheel here, okay? Then next is higher order thinking skill. Did early humans keep moving from one place another? Why? Yes, early humans keep moving from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Okay. Next is creative learning, creative skill. Write EH for the things that the early humans use and MH for the thing that modern humans use. जो चीजें अर्ली ह्यूमंस यूज करते हैं उनके लिए EH लिखना है, जो मॉडर्न ह्यूमंस यूज करते हैं उनके लिए MH लिखना है. So first one is car, which is used by modern human, so MH. Then cave is used by early human. Next is this multi-storied building used by modern humans. Then this is the tool for hunting, which is used by early humans. Then mobile phone used by modern humans. And the last one is this laptop used by modern humans. We are done with this. Okay. Then next is intellectual development, life skill. What would you do if you are in a forest and you had nothing to eat? आप क्या करोगे अगर आप फॉरेस्ट में एंड आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है खाने के लिए? तो हमें हंट करना पड़ेगा एनिमल्स को एंड उन्हें हंट करने के बाद फायर पर उन्हें बेसिकली कुक करना पड़ेगा एंड देन वी कैन ईट देम. ओके. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.